Pedro, buenos días. Good morning. So you just came back from Texas, 2 weeks out there.
Yes.
How is it out there? What did you see?
Well, it's actually very impressive what happened in Texas. Obviously, it's a good opportunity for a lot of restoration companies. There is a lot of need, and help out there right now for a lot of properties. I think that all the restoration companies that are there right now, I don't think it's enough help to help everybody out there right now, and that's the reason why actually I decided to come back to California. And obviously we're working and putting together more vehicles to send back to Texas, just because there's a lot of need out there. That's the reason why.
Now I know it's pretty hard seeing all this, and now you have to come back and get all these trucks and get them ready and prepare them. Like, I know you probably haven't slept for a couple of days, but do you feel that even what we're doing now, it's gonna be enough?
Unfortunately, no. I mean, there is so many properties out there. Like I say, I don't think that every property has been at least assessed, the damages. I'm sure there is families at home that they're living with moisture in their homes and probably mold at this point right now. So I don't think this is going to end, within the next 2 weeks. It's probably going to go at least for another, I would say, 3 to 6 months.
That's great.
So there's a lot of need in Texas for sure. Like I say, I know there's several companies out there, but at the same time, it's going to be almost impossible for us to say that any equipment or vehicles that we bring into Texas is going to be enough to help everybody there.
Yeah. So I know you also put all these vans together. You got 4 now and a smaller car to move around, but a lot more equipment to be moved on, more employees to get out there. So I think we're doing a little dent, maybe, possibly we're helping what we can.
I would say yes. The other thing that I see is that it's very hard to get materials, equipment. Even the manufacturers, they're saying they run out of equipment. So it's going to be hard for us to get equipment. So we're going to have to manage whatever equipment we have, and I'm sure all the companies are doing the same thing.
No, definitely. Well, we appreciate the decision you made to take us out there and help us out. So very happy. So other than that, I mean, I think we're doing a good thing.
Yes, I mean, I think that our PRC team is great. I think we're pretty strong and powerful together, and we're going to do as much as we can to help them. Yep.
Thank you, Pedro.